Welcome to Sedona, Arizona, a place where towering red rock formations, endless blue skies, and vibrant desert colors create one of the most breathtaking landscapes in the Southwest. In this video, we'll explore the scenic drive into town along the Red Rock Scenic Byway, visit the Chapel of the Holy Cross, take in the sunset views from the Sedona Airport Overlook, and hike the Sedona View Trail to one of the best panoramic viewpoints in the area. This is Sedona, where every turn offers a new view and every moment feels a little magical. Driving along the Red Rock Scenic Byway, it's impossible not to be drawn in by the landscape. The road winds through layers of crimson cliffs and towering formations that seem to glow brighter with every mile closer to Sedona. Each turn feels like a new postcard, the kind you can't quite believe is real. For a weekday afternoon, the traffic was light. I stopped at a few overlooks along the way, though one turnout was completely taken over by tour buses. Still, it's hard to be frustrated when the view looks like this. Every time I visit Sedona, I keep thinking to myself that it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. Next stop, the Chapel of the Holy Cross and those panoramic views that define Sedona. The Chapel of the Holy Cross is one of Sedona's most iconic landmarks, a masterpiece of architecture built directly into the red sandstone cliffs. As you approach, the structure seems to rise out of the rock itself, framed perfectly against the blue desert sky. It was busy when I arrived, and parking was hard to find, but once you step onto the pathway leading up to the chapel, the noise of the crowd fades beneath the sound of the wind and distant voices echoing off the canyon walls. The view from up here is stunning. You can see all of Sedona stretched out below, with Bell Rock and Courthouse Butte standing proudly on the horizon. Inside, the chapel is small but filled with quiet reverence. Sunlight streams through the tall cross-shaped window, casting warm light over the pews. The centerpiece is the sculpture of Jesus on the cross, detailed and lifelike with eyes that seem to follow you no matter where you stand. The Sedona Airport Scenic Overlook sits high above the valley, offering one of the most stunning views in town. From this vantage point, you can see Thunder Mountain, Coffee Pot Rock, and Chimney Rock, with the distant San Francisco peaks rising near Flagstaff on a clear day. The Overlook provides a sweeping view of Sedona's red rock landscape that feels endless in every direction. The best time to visit is late afternoon or sunset, when the rocks glow deep orange and gold in the fading light. Parking is available along Airport Road for a small fee, but it fills quickly, so arriving 30 to 45 minutes before sunset is ideal. Whether you're taking photos or just soaking in the view, this overlook captures Sedona's beauty at its most dramatic. From the Overlook, I followed the Sedona View Trail toward the summit viewpoint just before the Airport Loop Trail. The short hike passes along the ridgeline, offering new angles of Sedona's red rock formations with every turn. Along the way, desert plants and cacti were in full bloom, adding bursts of color to the rugged landscape and making the view even more vibrant against the deep red cliffs and blue sky. Just below the airport scenic overlook, a gently winding path follows the rim of the mesa, leading hikers toward the junction with the Airport Loop Trail. This route, about 1.4 miles round trip, is one of Sedona's most accessible ways to experience panoramic red rock views without much effort. The mesa itself is a remnant of ancient sandstone layers lifted and shaped over millions of years, creating the elevated plateau that now overlooks the city. Throughout the walk, the scenery never lets up. Capitol Butte, Coffee Pot Rock, and Chimney Rock stand prominently to the north, while the trail's exposed ridge offers an unbroken view across the valley. The path's soft red soil and scattered junipers capture the essence of Sedona's high desert terrain. Near the junction, a broad rock ledge serves as a natural viewpoint, opening to sweeping vistas of Cathedral Rock, Bell Rock, and even the distant San Francisco peaks, a perfect place to pause before heading back toward the Overlook. As the sun set, I made my way back to the Overlook, the red rocks glowing in the fading light. After one last glance at Sedona, I drove north to Flagstaff for the night, ready to continue on to the south rim of the Grand Canyon in the morning.